Okay, so we want to just work with the series inside here.
Yeah.
So let's just ignore the 4/5 for a moment. I'll just remember it right up here. So you want to call this x.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to multiply by 1/5, maybe. So I'm going to say x over 5 equals 1/5 plus 1/5 times 1/5 times 2 plus 1/5 times 1/5 times 1/5 times 3, and then da da da.
Okay, nice.
So then we can subtract up this way.
Yeah.
Or subtract. I'm subtracting this away from this.
So you'd be left with 4x
So-
over 5.
Yeah, equals 1 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 squared plus 1/5 cubed.
No. And do you have to factor in these numbers here?
Well, yeah. Okay, so where did this 1 come from?
It comes from up here.
1 minus what?
1 minus nothing.
Okay, and what about this 1/5? Where did that come from?
1/5 times 2 minus 1/5.
Okay, and what about this 1/5 squared here? Where did that come from?
1/5 times 1/5 times 3 over 1/5 times 1/5 times 2. So yeah.
Not over. Not
Times. Or subtract.
subtract. Yeah. So do you see how we're getting this nice series now? Okay.
And then this, you can sum nicely, because a geometric series like this is going to be 1 over 1 minus whatever our term is.
Okay.
So 1 over 1 minus 1/5, which is 1 over 4/5, which is 5/4.
Okay, so that just is 5/4.
And then luckily we solved for 4/5 x, so we don't actually have to divide by anything and put the 4/5 back in.
Nice, yeah, because we were actually needed to multiply this series by 4/5 anyway.
Yeah.
So actually we get 5/4.
So it does equal that.
Okay, so cool. So now I'm going to try to reconstruct your nice little chart that you made. So you went, you started at 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and you had this nice,
And
And
5.
well, yeah, but I'm not remember. So 1/5 of the time you looped around, and 4/5, sorry, 4/5 of the time, yeah, you got a lot of similar numbers floating around. 4/5 of the time you went up this way, and then this one looped back on itself how often?
2/5.
2/5 of the time, and then 3/5 it went this way. And then this one looped back on itself how often?
It was 3/5.
3/5 of the time. And then 2/5 of the time it went up this way. Okay, and so we just learned that this one took 1 step on average. This one took 5/4 steps on average.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think this one's going to take?
This could be 6/4 or 3/2, and then maybe it's 7/4 later.
Maybe it just increases.
Okay,
But by the end, advancing only 1/5 of the time, you should expect 5.
okay. So here,
So I think
here I expect 5 steps at the end. Good point.
So maybe it doubles. I mean, maybe not doubles. Maybe it just multiplies, like by itself, or whatever. Multiplies by 5 each time, or 4. Because 5 is 20/4. So we need to get from 5/4 to 20/4 somehow.
Yeah, somehow.
Although the series for the next couple are going to be, or the next, I guess all of them are going to be pretty similar.
Okay, yeah, maybe we could calculate this one too then.
Wouldn't be too hard.
Okay, so we know it goes 1, then 5/4, and at the end it's 5. So we just need to figure out the next 2. So maybe if we figure out this one, we'll see the pattern.
Okay.
All right.